Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is freaking Bella, and for the ones who are returning, welcome back. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. So today's video is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna be telling you guys about the G first sponsor. I had recorded a couple clips a long time ago when I received the I guess PR packages, what you would call it. I don't know, I'm not sure. It was actually me unboxing it and then installing it. So I'm gonna be kind of putting those clips in here, but I also do I also do just want to talk about how the product has been keeping up with. I'm gonna go ahead and rush over to a parking deck. That way we just have a little bit more a little bit more room just to talk about and just not get distracted by anybody. As y'all can hear, the belt no longer squeals. Thank God, because just having so many issues with it, and it's the belt. I just gotta get it replaced, as I've said so many freaking times. And now I'm just looking for a spot. Obviously we're gonna go to the top because we gotta get that lighting, you know. Alright, now let's park. Alright, that's good. Fuck. God, ignore this redness. It's not what y'all think. I'm just hella sensitive. The minute I scratch myself or something, I just turn red. I first and foremost just want to thank all of you. We hadn't grown as much as we did. This sponsorship would not have been possible, and I wouldn't have been recognized for obviously the car and just the kind of content that we're putting out there. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out to DND Performance Interior for sponsoring the G. I am super grateful. I am loving the freaking products that I was given. Just it goes to show, I always say this all the damn time, but that you don't need thousands and thousands of followers to be sponsored. As long as you feel, and as long as that company feels that you can make, that you can influence the community in a positive way, obviously, then they're willing to work with you. I think I'm going to just go ahead and put in the clips that I had recorded when I first got the package, or just me unboxing it. I'm also gonna put the clips of my boyfriend helping me install it, and then I believe a couple days later I ended up just explaining a little bit more, just because I didn't really have that much time to explain as to what we're doing and what sizes and stuff. So I'll put all of that in there, and then once you finish that, we'll come back. They sent me a couple of things, and starting with this hat. And then I got a wheel, I got a hub, and then they also did ask if I wanted to do the quick release. And so I was like, you know what, why not? So we did that. So starting with the short hub, this is what it looks like. It's in purple, of course, because it is my favorite color. It also did come with these little neochrome screws, which I already have on the wheel, which I'll show you in a minute. It came with the hardware, of course, for a lot of the products. So this is the wheel itself. There are the little screws already in there, like I said, and here's the quick release already attached on there. I think on the site this is called the leather perforated carbon fiber steering wheel, and you can get the stitching in different colors. Obviously, I think there's blue, purple, red, black, gray, I guess maybe gold. I don't know, I'm not completely sure. Yeah, it's gonna look so good in the car. First, they did send me this banner that I have to put on. I took off the negative one and just make sure that it's off, because then if not, then most likely you have a higher risk of blowing up the airbag, and you don't want that, because yeah, we just want to make sure that we're safe.
This shit, bitch. I need to step up to mega. Why are you recording me?
Because you messed it up. You stripped it.
First of all, your car is just old. Things happen. This Loctite has been in here for probably a little more than my grandma's been alive.
So you have to take off the little lids on both sides of the wheel, and you're gonna have to take off the security bit. It's a T30. You can get that at your local AutoZone. However, sadly, I didn't have any luck. I would have to buy the set, which was $30, and I wasn't gonna use any of the other ones, so I was it's fine. So we ended up having to take that out. And then after that, I have this bad boy. You literally just pop it off, and this is what it looks like. And then it'll have like the 2 little wires. You take them off with the pick, and then from there you're gonna obviously take off this clip. You're gonna need a 19mm with a 1/2" extender, and then it should come right off. And from here you literally just apply the hub on top, and then the 2 wires that are going to be dangling, you literally just like wrap them inside. And then if you don't have a quick release, I believe if you use the horn, I'm sure you'll attach those wires to the horn. But because I don't have that, and because it's just a quick release, you literally just wrap them in there. Now, as far as ever since I got the products, the wheel has honestly like kept up like great. It's not stiff at all. At first when I installed it, it's because I installed it wrong, and I think you're gonna see it in the video where like the brand is actually in the bottom where it's like kind of crooked. I installed it wrong, and I came back and I was like, okay, instead of, I started watching their installation video that they also have here on YouTube, and so like I rewatched it and it's fine now. A lot of people look at it and they're like, oh, I think it's upside down. I'm just like, no, like that's how it goes. This is what it looks like. Obviously it is the carbon fiber steering wheel. So this is what it looks like. You pretty much just press it down. I can't do it with one hand, but like, actually, let's see. Yeah, so you just press down on it and just kind of align the steering wheel with the thickness one. I honestly love this wheel. I didn't think I was going to be like working on my interior anymore, just because I really wanted to focus like on the exterior cosmetic mods. And yeah, so I'm just super grateful, and I just look forward for the G just to get more sponsorships. Wow, look how big this thing is, like bigger than my freaking head. But you know what the cool thing is about this? I made like a TikTok about it. Like quick release drivers be like, you know, like you just place it on the dash or whatever. It's like you can literally take it out and just walk around with it. Look at this. So you can literally just like walk around with it, you know what I'm saying? Just like, yeah. Dude, I like I'm over here just like casually just walking with the steering wheel. But yeah, update with the G. So after we got the belt fixed, well actually before we got the belt fixed and everything, we got wider tires in the front. I got 235 40 18. I was running 225 45 18 just because we ran out of those. Like on the site that we were getting them from, they just didn't have the size, and we're just like, you know what, it's fine, we're just gonna go wider. And so it just looks a little bit lower in the front, and I do want to go lower, but yeah, I don't know, maybe this weekend we'll see. Car's running great, no more breaking down, no more getting stuck on the side of the road, and I'm excited. Next thing, definitely have to go get the car lines, because I don't know if you guys can see, like, yeah, it's bad. The camber on the car in the rear is really bad. Nothing too crazy, it's very manageable, but this side over here is just worse. Like, damn. I cleaned the car literally a couple days ago, and she has I don't know why, but like on camera it doesn't look okay. See, now it does. It looks really bad. I know you guys like the rear of the car, so do I. Should be looking poppin'. So I think that's it for this. Let me get the wheel down. I know some of you guys wanted to see me install the wheel just because a couple of you are planning on ordering from DND, and I recommend it. I obviously will be making updated videos the more I have the wheel on. And of course we had to make it official by adding their DND performance interior banner. I love it. I do want to change that butterfly though to maybe a different color, but yeah, she looking good. So with that said, man, these police are going crazy. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the car, me personally, or just on how to work with sponsors, let me know in the comments, or just get directly to me at bq.bella on Instagram. That is literally the app that I'm always like constantly on, checking my DMs all the time. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.